probably would too. Look, crossed over to the Jordan man like I'm Michael. Yeah, eating blessings so much I might need life.
What's up, y'all? Today is the first day of final exam week. Today is May 1st, my favorite month because my birthday's in this month. And I'm always busy in May. I always do fun stuff in May, so I just love May. So today I'm having my English final exam and my art appreciation final exam. I'm more worried about my English exam because it's an essay and I just want to make sure I do it right, and we're not using notes or nothing, so we have to literally go off of memory. So y'all just pray that I try my best and I do the best I can do, because that's all I can do. You know what I mean? Jesus will have to help me because that's the only way I can do anything. So yeah, on my way to school right now. I have to be there at 10, and then I have my English test is for 10, and then my art appreciation is at 1 p.m. So how pretty it is out here. So pretty, bro. So pretty, bro. What's up, y'all? Me and Paris are on a nature trail. Something different. I've never been to this nature trail, but I love going on trails like this. Never been here. It's like in Mississippi. I had to drive pretty far though to get here, but pretty cool, pretty cool. Look at her exploring. Come on, come on. Pretty cool, pretty cool. I got my pepper spray. I ain't playing, but I ain't. We got a little sketchy bridge. That ain't safe, bro. Ooh. That's why I'm glad I brought Paris with me. Sketchy little trail to me. Come on. Stop. She wanna smell everything. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Go. Come on. Paris, stop doing that, bro. Freaking me out. Look. Dude, we're not stopping for everything. Let's go. Come on. You lead. You lead. Hey, what's this? Something about something. Something, I don't know. Something happened there. They got a little... Bro, look at this hill we going down through. What the crap? What kind of stuff is this? I ain't never seen nothing like that. Oh. No, not jump. She jumps all the way down. No, come on. I did not want you to jump, but you jumped anyway. Whatever. Okay, we're heading to another. This is what we just climbed off of. That's pretty cool. And now we going through here. Look at this, bro. This is so cool. Stay on there, Paris. We ain't never done like nothing like this. This is dope. Dope, dope, dope. Stay on here, Paris. She ain't never done nothing, so I'm trying to teach her how to keep walking. Go. I don't want to fall, girl. Okay, you jump. You get on this bridge. Look at that. That's dope, bro. Whoever did this did pretty good. I think we're finally getting to the end. I don't know. It says 1 mile, so apparently not. I don't know. Come on, girl. Let's go. We're going up. Just came out of right here. We still on it, but this is, come here. This is what we just came out of, like a little cool little thing right there. Another bridge. Come on. Now we're going this way. This is cool. I'll probably do this again. This is pretty cool. I don't know where the end is though. That's, oh, we're getting to rocks now. That's different. Look at that, bro. A nice little old bridge. The other bridges were skeptical, but this one ain't too bad. Whoa. It's shaking. Lord protect us. Oh, look at that. That water and stuff. Okay, girl. We're gonna go stop up here and get some water. I'm gonna give you some water. You be good. Come on. I'm guessing that's the end. That's as far as we gonna go. So because I can't tell which way.
Look, God made me for this, man, this my year. Look, ain't no more games going for the kill. Working for this way before a deal. Cause this my year. This my year. Look, God made me for this, man, this my year.